Hi there, Joe here. So today I want to talk about one of my favorite vegetables in the garden, Shishito Peppers. So I first learned about Shishitos from Anthony Bourdain on No Reservations, and he did a show on Japanese foods and he featured the Shishitos as a Japanese delicacy. So you can see here, these are the Shishito peppers and this is the plant. And it's a relatively small plant, but it produces a high yield. And they're grown just like all other peppers. So with the Shishito peppers, you're basically playing with vegetable roulette. They say 1 out of every 10, but I think it's more like about 1 out of every 20 or one out of every 25. You get one that has a little heat. There's no way to determine which ones have heat until you bite into it. On a Scoville rating, they rate at between 50 to 200. So it's just a little bit of mild heat, but that's why we call it vegetable roulette, because you never know and there's no way to tell which one is going to be hot. So the Shishito pepper dates back to the 16th century. The Portuguese brought the Shishito to Japan and it became part of the Japanese cuisine over the years, and in recent years it's become a bit of a novelty. My favorite way of cooking the Shishitos is to just blister them on the grill with a little olive oil, and then when they're done, sprinkle a little sea salt on them and then eat them. But they can be used in a lot of different dishes when cooking. Shishitos are done on the grill. I sprinkled a little sea salt on them and now they're ready to eat. Bon appetit. Enjoy. Thank you for watching the video, and please like the video and you can subscribe, it's free. If you have any questions, please post them and I will respond. And if there's any items you would like in the future to see a video about, please post that and we will try and address your questions with a new video. Thank you again. Take care.